Kingston Connection, bless you. Yes, yes, massive. I'd like to say big ups, big ups and thanks to all the security crew, all the young people, bar staff working hard to make this thing possible. Yes, now, Ireland sound system in session. Come to build more love, This is reality, people. No roots and culture strictly, and we welcome you inside, Now, I tell you one thing. None of this possible. Can't build anything without foundation.
Life can be very easy.
And from UK and 70s, foundation sounds really spread out across the world, across Europe. And when we travel now, we really see how reggae and roots music grow, and that's how reality reaches the people. So we give thanks and praise. So for a long time, I love to see this next brethren from England, from Birmingham, 1970s, UK. Bringing heavyweight vibes in the area. People, I'd like you to give it up now. Give a big Berlin welcome. King Earthquake! Yes, cool and easy Berlin. This is the place to be tonight. I tell you, Jah love in the area. Kingston Connection, bring a tear in my eye. I tell you, more love, pure love. Yes, I am. Greetings! Greetings! People of Berlin, greetings! Give thanks. Yeah, man. To all the foundation massives, I man say greetings and love and welcome each and every one. I man King Earthquake all the way from the Midlands, England, here. And we say, we have to big up all of the sound man them in the place. Every sound man in the place we have to give thanks and praise, you understand? Because, let me tell you, the work of the Father is hard. Building a sound system is hard. And it takes a lot of money to run sound system and run an organization such as this. So to everybody here giving their support, I man give thanks. All of the sound man them, Ireland, all of the crew them, sing. Rastafari. tonight, I'm on from the Midlands. Spreading the word across the nation to man, here. Singing praises unto the Father. Yeah. Rastafari. Selassie I. Giving praises unto His Majesty, you know. How you mean? How you mean? How you mean? Yeah man, yeah man. Just a steady vibration. Yeah. All over great here, Jah. Sing praises unto the Almighty Father without any objection, no apologies, yeah. We come with the blessings of the Lord this night, yeah. This one, yeah, soon we release the for it, yeah. Selassie, I know. King Earthquake from the Midlands, England. This night, everyone. Love to each and everyone in your house tonight. Here we are celebrating a festival which is supposed to be going on every year. See, every year this festival I go around and make sure so that everyone give their support because that's what it's all about. See, Rastafari. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Instrumental time. Listen.